Ever pondered the winding roads your career path might take? Is the thought of shifting gears, exploring new domains, and seeking fresh opportunities enticing? Or does it induce a sense of unease? Well, it's time to dive into the world of zigzagging. This concept represents the career trajectory of those who choose to switch jobs, industries, or roles periodically. According to the US Bureau of Labor Statistics, the median employee tenure for men was 4.3 years, and for women, it was 3.8 years as of January 2022. This suggests that by the age of 42, an average American worker has switched jobs approximately 10 times. Zigzagging is not an alien concept. On the contrary, it's a choice made by millions of Americans shaping their careers and futures. But is zigzagging the right choice for you? If you are someone who wakes up every morning thrilled at the prospect of another day at work, if your job brings joy and purpose to your life, then you are among the fortunate ones. If you've steadily climbed the corporate ladder over 20 or 30 years, creating value and making a difference along the way, then you may not need the zigzag approach. After all, zigzagging isn't about following a trend or trying out something new for the sake of it. It's a potential solution to a significant problem, a life-saving decision for those who feel stuck in their current roles. But what if your job feels like a chore? What if it's just a means to earn a few more dollars without contributing to your overall happiness or well-being? Then it might be worth considering zigzagging. It could be the perfect solution for you. So as you ponder your career path, remember that the choice between a steady, linear progression and a zigzagging career path is a personal one. It's about finding what works best for you, what makes you feel fulfilled, and what drives you towards your professional goals. Embrace the journey, whether it's a straight line or a zigzag. And remember, the destination isn't as important as the journey itself, so make that journey count. After all, it's your career, your story. Make it a good one.